Good evening everyone, welcome to my food blog. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple and easy recipe, sweet dish. So this is from Bihar recipe Thekuwa, which is very popular in during Chaath Puja. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients we have taken to make the Thekuwa. We have taken 2 cups of atta and we have taken crushed sugar. We have taken 1 cup of suji and we have taken this oil, refined oil, and we have taken this ghee. So we will just mix all these ingredients. This is 1 cup of atta, suji, and this is sugar, crushed sugar. We will pour 1 cup of oil. Two spoon of ghee. Now we'll mix all these ingredients. Now we'll pour little water. Now we'll make this round like a ball. Press a little. We'll put here. Now we'll just give the design over here with a spoon. Any design you can do. Like this. So now the thekwa is almost ready. Now we are going to fry it in the pan. So at first we will pour some oil over here for frying. Let the oil get heated. Now the oil has almost got heated. Now we will fry this thekwa here one by one. We'll put it in the low flame and let it become golden brown. So this has almost got fried. Now we'll take it out one by one. So this is the Thekuwa sweet recipe, and it's almost ready, and it's very popular and it's very essential during the Chaath Puja. So friends, thank you for being with me all through my videos, watching the video till my end, and please do keep supporting me by subscribing my channel, and have a nice day. Bye bye.